From couch to fit, my inspiring fitness journey with Fitbit FT100 series treadmill. What if I told you that just a few months ago, I was struggling to walk for more than 10 minutes without getting winded? I was stuck in a rut, feeling lazy and unmotivated, like I was just going through the motions of daily life without any sense of purpose or direction. Every day felt like a struggle, and even the simplest tasks seemed like insurmountable challenges. My health was suffering, and I knew I needed to make a change. I was tired of feeling sluggish and lethargic, tired of having no energy or enthusiasm for the things I used to love. I was tired of feeling like I was losing myself, like I was disappearing into a sea of mediocrity. I knew I needed to shake things up, to find a way to break free from the cycle of laziness and unmotivation that had been holding me back for so long. I needed to find a way to rekindle my passion and enthusiasm for life, to reignite the spark that had once driven me to pursue my dreams and ambitions with energy and purpose. I needed to find a way to break free from the monotony and routine that had been suffocating me, to discover a new sense of excitement and joy in the everyday moments that made up my life. I needed to find a way to make exercise and healthy living a sustainable and enjoyable part of my daily routine, to transform it from a chore or obligation into a source of pleasure and fulfillment. I wanted to wake up every morning feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, eager to tackle the day ahead with vitality and enthusiasm. I wanted to feel strong and confident, capable of taking on any challenge that came my way. I wanted to feel alive, to feel like I was truly living each day to the fullest, rather than just existing or going through the motions. But then I discovered the Fitbit FT100 series treadmill, and everything changed. This treadmill is not just any ordinary treadmill, it's a game changer. With the Fitbit FT100 series treadmill, I was able to start my fitness journey from the comfort of my own home. I began with short walks and gradually increased my intensity and duration. As I progressed, I started to notice changes in my body. I had more energy, I was sleeping better, and I felt more confident. After just a few months of using the Fitbit FT100 series treadmill, I was able to achieve my fitness goals. I lost weight, increased my endurance, and felt like a new person. From busy professionals who needed a convenient way to stay active, to stay-at-home parents who wanted to get back in shape, to fitness enthusiasts who were looking to take their workouts to the next level, the Fitbit FT100 series treadmill has helped countless individuals achieve their fitness goals. Weight loss. Many users have reported losing significant amounts of weight, with some shading up to 20 kilograms or more. Improved cardiovascular health. The treadmill's varied incline and decline settings, combined with its smooth and quiet operation, have helped users improve their cardiovascular health and increase their endurance. Increased muscle strength and tone. The treadmill's robust construction and wide range of workout programs have enabled users to build strength and tone their muscles, particularly in their legs, core, and glutes. Enhanced mental well-being. The sense of accomplishment and confidence that comes with regular exercise on the Fitbit FT100 series treadmill has had a profound impact on users' mental health and well-being. I was skeptical at first, but after using the Fitbit FT100 series treadmill for just a few weeks, I noticed a significant improvement in my overall fitness and energy levels. Rachel, age 32. I've tried several treadmills in the past, but none have come close to the Fitbit FT100 series treadmill in terms of quality, durability, and effectiveness. Mark, age 41. I was amazed at how easy it was to assemble and use the treadmill, and the variety of workout programs has kept me motivated and engaged. Emily, age 28. Join the thousands of people who have already experienced the transformative power of the Fitbit FT100 series treadmill. Order yours today and start achieving the fitness results you've always wanted. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards your fitness journey today. Order the Fitkit FT100 series treadmill now and start achieving your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home. Don't forget to use the link in the description below. Don't forget subscribe to my channel to get exclusive discounts and offers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.